Credit Hotel. How may I assist you today? Oh, okay. Let me escort you to the reception. But first, may I hold your luggage, please? Great. Okay. Now, would you please follow me? I will escort you to the reception. Okay, miss. So this is my friend, Miss Kirani. She will help you on the process of checking in. I will put your bag on this desk, right? And then I will take my leave, but I will still be on standby. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning, welcome to Credit Hotel. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I want to check in, please.
Certainly, have you made a reservation before?
Yes.
May I know your name and could you please a confirmation of your booking in our hotel?
Yes, of course. Here.
Miss, you have booked a deluxe room with breakfast for 3 nights, check-in today and check-out on 20 November. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I borrow your ID or passport, please?
Yes.
Do you have any room preference, Miss Lisa? Like room with non-smoking, room or smoking room, or would you like a room with a city view or a view towards the beach?
I want to learn smoking and beach view.
Certainly. So your total amount for your stay is 4,700,000. How would you like to pay?
Credit card.
Very well. May I borrow your credit card, please?
Yes.
I will make a pre-authorization hold for your stay amount. Is that okay?
Yes. Okay.
Concierge,
Yes, ma'am.
this is your card. I will hand it over to the bellboy, Mr. Axel. He will lead you to your room. Your room will be on the 10th floor. Up the elevator to the lift. Breakfast will be served from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. On the 2nd floor, the gym and swimming pool is on the 12th floor and are available until 10 p.m. Is there anything else I could assist you?
No, thanks.
Very well. I hope you enjoy your stay at Marita Hotel. Miss Lisa, if you need anything, feel free to contact us by dialing 0 on the telephone in your room. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kirani. Miss Lisa, I will escort you to your room now. Could you please follow me? I will help you with your bag. Bellboy. 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 Please come in. Please come in. So, I'll put your luggage here. So, this is your room. You have a twin-size bed, and behind you is your shower room. The left door is your toilet, and the right is the shower. Okay. So, if you need anything else, you may dial 0 on the telephone in this room. Okay? Our receptionist will be online for 24/7 hours, right? Okay. So this will be your key card room. I will take my leave now. Have a nice day.
Thank you.